Stop! Before you shift into drive again, there's a good chance you're falling for dangerous myths that are silently wrecking your automatic car. These 13 common beliefs are spreading like wildfire, and they're costing drivers thousands in repairs, ruined transmissions, and even total engine failure. And guess what? Mechanics won't always correct you. Why would they? Every mistake you make is more money in their pocket. So if you want to keep your ride smooth, your repair bills low, and your transmission alive, this video could save you thousands. Before we bust these myths wide open, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never fall victim to car-destroying myths again. This is Car Care Xpert, where we keep your ride running like new. Myth number 1, shifting to neutral at red lights saves gas. Many people believe that putting an automatic car into neutral at red lights will save fuel and reduce strain on the transmission. In reality, this practice does very little to improve fuel economy and can even lead to increased wear. Modern engines and transmission control modules are designed to idle efficiently while in drive. Constantly shifting in and out of neutral can stress the transmission and disrupt smooth gear engagement over time. Additionally, it offers no significant savings in fuel consumption. The minuscule amount of fuel saved isn't worth the long-term wear on your transmission. Staying in drive is actually better because it keeps the system in a stable state. If you're concerned about fuel efficiency, consider using eco-driving techniques rather than tricks that don't align with how modern vehicles are engineered. Myth number 2, you don't need to warm up an automatic car in cold weather. This myth comes from a misunderstanding about modern engines. While it's true that newer engines reach optimal operating temperature more quickly than older models, that doesn't mean you can skip warming up entirely, especially when it comes to the transmission. Transmission fluid thickens in cold weather, and until it warms up, it doesn't flow properly. Driving off aggressively before the transmission warms can lead to delayed or harsh shifting. While you don't need to idle for long, giving your car 30 seconds to a minute to circulate fluids can significantly improve longevity. Also, gentle driving for the first few miles helps both the engine and transmission ease into normal operation. Ignoring this advice might not show immediate effects, but over time, it can lead to premature wear and shifting issues that are expensive to repair. Myth number 3, shifting from drive to reverse without stopping is fine. Many drivers in a hurry shift from drive to reverse or vice versa without fully stopping, thinking their car can handle it. But doing this even once can damage internal transmission components. When you shift gears while the car is still rolling in the opposite direction, you're forcing the transmission to suddenly change direction, causing a violent jolt inside the system. This stress can wear down or break gear teeth, damage clutch packs, or harm the transmission mount. Over time, these quick shifts can create significant problems that lead to slipping, shuddering, or complete transmission failure. Always come to a full stop before changing from drive to reverse or vice versa. It's a simple habit that prevents serious damage and can save you thousands of dollars in transmission repairs down the road. Myth number 4, automatic transmissions don't need fluid changes. This is one of the most damaging myths out there. Many manufacturers market transmissions as sealed for life, but in reality, no transmission fluid lasts forever. Over time, transmission fluid breaks down from heat and shearing forces, becoming less effective at lubricating and cooling. Dirty or degraded fluid can cause poor shifting, overheating, and internal damage. Most experts recommend changing the transmission fluid every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, depending on your driving habits and vehicle type. Neglecting this vital maintenance can result in a complete transmission failure, which may cost between $3,000 and $6,000 to repair. If your car doesn't have a dipstick, that doesn't mean it's maintenance-free. It just means the fluid check is more complicated and requires professional tools. Don't let sealed fool you into ignoring regular service. Myth number 5, coasting in neutral downhill saves fuel. This outdated belief may have applied to older carbureted vehicles, but it's actually harmful in modern cars. When you coast in neutral, the engine and transmission are decoupled, meaning the car can't take advantage of engine braking. Not only does this make you rely solely on the brakes, which causes more wear, but it can actually increase fuel consumption. Modern fuel injection systems cut off fuel delivery when coasting in gear, but keep using fuel when idling in neutral. On top of that, coasting reduces your control over the vehicle because you can't accelerate if needed. In some regions, coasting in neutral is even illegal for safety reasons. Staying in gear while descending hills is safer, more controlled, and more fuel efficient in most cases. Myth number 6. You can tow any automatic car with all 4 wheels on the ground flat. Towing an automatic vehicle without understanding its design can be catastrophic. Most automatic transmissions require the engine to be running for proper lubrication, meaning if the wheels are turning while the engine is off, internal components may grind without lubrication. This can lead to burned clutches and a ruined transmission in just a few miles. Unless your vehicle is specifically rated for flat towing, such as certain Jeep or Honda models with appropriate drivetrains, you should use a flatbed trailer or a dolly. Always consult your owner's manual or manufacturer guidance before towing. Mistakenly assuming any car can be flat towed is a shortcut to a $5,000 repair bill. Myth number 7. Engine braking doesn't work in automatics. While it's true that traditional automatics didn't allow for much engine braking, modern systems absolutely do. Features like manual mode, paddle shifters, and adaptive shift logic enable downshifting to use the engine for braking. Engine braking helps reduce the load on your brake system, especially during long descents, and provides better speed control. It also improves safety by reducing brake fade, especially when towing or driving in mountainous areas. Using engine braking appropriately can extend the life of your brake pads and rotors while maintaining better overall vehicle control. To use it, shift into a lower gear manually or use the L or S modes found in many vehicles. Myth number 8. Downshifting automatically increases stopping power. While engine braking is useful, aggressive, or improper, downshifting can do more harm than good. Rapidly downshifting at high speeds can over-rev the engine or cause a jolt that stresses the transmission. In automatics, especially CVTs or dual-clutch systems, forcing a downshift outside the acceptable RPM range can confuse the control module or even trigger a fault code. Engine braking should be used thoughtfully and only when the car's speed and RPM allow it. It's best used to maintain speed downhill or slow the vehicle gradually, not as a replacement for your brake pedal. Done properly, it's a valuable tool. Done incorrectly, it can lead to mechanical damage. Myth number 9. Any mechanic can service your automatic transmission. Not all mechanics have the right knowledge or tools to service modern automatic transmissions. Newer systems often involve 8, 9, or even 10-speed gearboxes that require specialized diagnostic equipment, specific fluids, and precise servicing techniques. Using the wrong type of transmission fluid or performing an incorrect flush can do irreversible damage. For example, dual-clutch systems and CVTs require completely different service approaches compared to traditional automatics. That's why it's crucial to go to a certified shop or dealership that has experience with your specific transmission type. Saving a few bucks with an underqualified shop might cost you thousands in the long run. Myth number 10. Tire size doesn't affect transmission performance. Tire size has a direct impact on your car's gear ratios and transmission behavior. If you switch to larger or smaller tires than factory spec, you change how far the car travels per wheel revolution, which throws off speed sensors and shift points. This is especially problematic in vehicles with CVTs or computer-controlled automatics. Your car may shift too early or too late, leading to poor fuel economy, sluggish acceleration, or even long-term transmission damage. Always consult your manufacturer's recommended tire size before making any changes. And if you do upgrade your tires, consider having the vehicle recalibrated to accommodate the new setup. Myth number 11. Driving in sport mode. All the time is fine. Sport mode changes how your transmission shifts, often holding gears longer to provide more power and responsiveness. While fun for spirited driving, keeping your car in sport mode all the time increases fuel consumption and puts additional strain on the engine and transmission due to higher RPMs. It can also cause more heat buildup, which over time can degrade transmission fluid faster. Sport mode should be used selectively, such as when overtaking, driving uphill, or enjoying a winding road, not as your default setting. Treating it like a daily mode may reduce the lifespan of critical drivetrain components. Myth number 12, putting the car in park prevents it from rolling. Many people believe that putting an automatic in park fully secures the vehicle. In reality, park engages a small metal pin called the parking pawl inside the transmission. While it prevents the wheels from moving, it's not designed to hold the entire weight of the vehicle on an incline. If you don't engage the parking brake, especially on hills, the full weight rests on that tiny pin, which can snap under stress. This could result in the vehicle rolling away or damaging the transmission. Always use the parking brake in conjunction with park to fully secure your vehicle. Myth number 13, automatic cars are maintenance-free. Some drivers assume that because automatics handle gear changes automatically, they require little to no maintenance. That couldn't be further from the truth. Automatic transmissions are complex machines with intricate hydraulics, clutches, and electronics. Over time, these components wear out, fluid degrades, and sensors can fail. Routine maintenance, like fluid changes, filter replacements, and software updates, are essential to keep them running smoothly. Skipping maintenance might not cause immediate issues, but it will reduce the system's lifespan and increase the risk of sudden failure. Follow your owner's manual and have regular inspections performed to avoid unexpected and expensive repairs. There you have it, 13 stupid myths that are silently killing automatic cars everywhere. If you've fallen for even one of these, don't beat yourself up. You're not alone. But now, you're smarter and your car will last longer because of it. Want more Xpert car care tips that save you thousands in repairs? Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on all notifications so you never fall behind on what your car really needs. This is Car Care Xpert, and we've got your back, one myth-busting video at a time. Until next time, drive smart, not stupid.